So today we are going to be studying about multiple declaration and multiple assignment of values and variables in Python. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the topic. In the previous topic we studied about simple variables. The example shown in this terminal is for small programs in Python. So what if we are doing some mega projects or big projects, like we have to store name of multiple peoples and multiple staffs in many variables. So we can store them, like maybe in an office there may be like 10 staffs, then the name can be stored as staff1 equals name that be Harry, staff2's name that be Louis, staff3 name that be Ram, and many more. This step is tedious, so like we can see here that the step we are doing here is too much tedious. We have to write name of variables and the name value of the variables one by one, and that is a tedious way of doing some job. So what if I tell you that in a single line in Python, in a single line we can write the declaration of variables and assigning them value as well, like staff1 comma staff2 comma staff3 comma staff4 equals Harry comma Louis comma Ram comma Krishna. So this is also a process of declaring the variable and assigning the value to the variables. So this step is a bit faster and less tedious than the previous step we did. Now we can see the value of the declared variables, like when we type staff1 we get the respective value as an output. So consider typing staff3. Now we can get the respective value of staff3, 1 2 3 1 2 3, that is Ram, which is an output here. So this thing is the multiple declaration of variables. So what if we had a condition where multiple variables need to have the same value, like maybe a equals 5, b also equals to 5, and c also equals to 5. So the way we did here, the way we assigned the values of a, b and c here is a bit time consuming and a bit tedious. So this can be done as a equals b equals c equals 5, which implies that the value of a and b is equal and the value of b and c is also equal, whose corresponding value is 5. That is, let's check the value of a, which has output of 5. Let's check the value of c, we have the value of 5. So these are the topic we discussed today, and a quick review. So we learned about multiple declaration of variables in Python in a very less tedious way, and the other topic was multiple assignment of values to multiple variables. Yeah, this was for today, and in the next topic we will be discussing about data types in Python. Thank you.